Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So I recently just got this 8-in-1 hoop for my Ricoma Em1010 embroidery machine, and today we're going to test it out and customize a backpack. Now real quick, an 8-in-1 hoop is super great because it allows you to do a variety of projects that may have been impossible or a little hard with a regular hoop. So of course, I'll have everything you need in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing we're going to do is just measure and cut the sticky tearaway adhesive backing that we'll be using. And this is what is actually going to hold your item in place while you do the embroidering. So there's no like super fancy instructions for this. You just peel away the backing and expose the adhesive side, and the adhesive side goes up. That's pretty much it, right? So this is like hoop. I want to say it's about 5 by 7. Those aren't the exact measurements, but it's close to 5 by 7. So that is the size of this hoop I'll be using. And this is the frame that it goes on, and all you do is just loosen the knob, slide it in there, stick it into those two little holes, right? Like snap it into the holes, tighten the knob, and then you just take this whole setup right here and slide it into the arms on your embroidery machine. Like super easy, right? And of course, I had to make my arms a little bit smaller, so I just had to unscrew the screws just a little bit. You don't want to unscrew them too much. You just unscrew it enough just so you can adjust it, and that's it. So yeah, super easy install. So when you're using like this 8-in-1 hoop, you would go to design set, like when you're picking out your hoop sizes and stuff, and you would hit other. So that is how you would use this hoop on your machine. So that's how you set up the whole 8-in-1 to use on your machine. But now I'm just going to take the hoop and stick my book bag onto there. And this is just a regular book bag that I purchased from Walmart. And I'm just going to like rub it, make sure it's nice and smooth, and try and get it stuck onto the adhesive backing. And since we can't see like the outline of the frame, I'm just going to use some binder clips just to make it a little more visible, so that when I'm trying to, center my design and things, I don't stitch onto the frame and break a needle, which I actually did. So take my advice and use these clips to outline your book bag, right? And then I'm just going to tuck this extra out the way and use these clips that I got from Dollar Tree, just to keep the back out the way. And once you have all that done, you're just going to go ahead and trace your design, make any adjustments as needed. And we're just going to go ahead and stitch out the design. Now, this is an applique design. So, of course, I did the trace stitch. Then after you do the trace stitch, you put your fabric down. It'll do the tack down stitch, and then you'll cut away the extra. And it didn't like occur to me that I could have just easily removed the hoop from the frame to cut out the extra fabric. Like, as you can see right here, I was struggling. So again, don't be like me. Take my advice and just take the whole thing off. Like, I don't even know what I was thinking. I don't know. So yeah, the link where I purchased this design will be in the description box, as well as the information if you want to get in touch with a Ricoma representative to get a machine, or if you want the link to get you the 8-in-1 hoop as well. Because like I said, it just makes, I don't even think if this project would have been possible with a regular hoop or not, but it just, gives you a little bit more variety on different projects that you can do. And y'all, I made this book bag for my son because he's obsessed with sharks. And I thought he was going to totally love it. But when I gave it to him, he was like, a book bag? And I was like, yeah, for when you go to school. And he was so distraught that they're about to go back to school. He didn't even like appreciate my gift. And I was like, oh, okay. So once you're done embroidering it, you just rip it off. And that is it, you guys. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.